So yesterday on the vlog channel on Telegram, I shared this particular platform. It's called Python, where you can create content for their project and you get paid. You get paid. And the payment is every month. You can create content based on the particular mission given and you get paid, and it's very, very simple. I've registered on it and it's legit. So content could be in form of content writing, it could be in form of creating videos, it could also be in form of creating memes, talking about their project either on X or on TikTok or on YouTube or other social media platform. And then once you are through, you just need to come back to the channel, their channel, and then you will drop the URL or the link of that content you've created. And this content or tags are called missions in the channel. They're called mission. So every month they drop one or two missions, and all you need to do is just to create content in line with that particular mission and submit your link, and then you get paid. You can create content as many times as possible. So this is them Python. So for Web3, those of us in Web3, it's not going to be strange to you. You've created content for a project before and gotten paid, so it's just similar to that, right? By on this particular platform, there's no leaderboard. There is no like oh, you need to be on social leaderboard, you need to be among this particular percentage of people before you get paid. No, you're paid as you drop your mission. Just make sure you keep creating your content regularly and posting about them, talking about them, tagging them. So this is, let me show you particular for the month of May. This was dropped on May 20th. This is a mission. This is an example of a mission. I said the mission is Pi commodity listing at an ATH, right? And all you need to do is just to look at the deadline. It's ending on the 1st of June 2026. That is this particular mission for me. And all you need to do is to comment on this post, this particular post there. You comment on it and then you drop that your comment URL in the comment section here. Once you've commented on the post, you just need to come here and click on this to drop your comment URL, comment link. See, a lot of people have done it, a lot of persons have done it, a lot, about 348 comments in mine. So that's that. Then and this particular mission here was dropped on the 11th of May, and look at it. All you needed to do for this is just to create content regarding Pi, regarding Pythian. All you need to do is to talk about them in a particular, talk about them regularly, copy the link of the content you've created for them, and then you come around and you drop it under this particular missions comment section on their channel. Don't do the mistake of dropping the content of your URL for, let's say, the mission May 11 for May 20th. No. So if you are done doing this mission, the one for May 11, after dropping your content, you come and drop your URL under the comment section of that particular mission. It's very simple. Look at a lot of people that dropped their same mine. I think I dropped one yesterday too. So the more you drop, the more you earn. That is one. Another thing about this Python is that you do not necessarily need to create content from scratch. You do not need to create content from scratch, like create videos for them from scratch or create graphics for them from scratch. If you just come to their channel, you click on their pin message, you will see their content library. Yeah, look at it. The meme library, the pair resources, and all this. You just need to go there, pick up an image, pick up a graphic, and create content in line with that. This is that simple. So I'm going to show you how to start. I've already registered, but I'm going to use another of my accounts on Telegram to show you how to trigger the bots and start. So let's get started. If you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, do yourself a very, very big favor to join my Telegram channel. But this is where I share updates like this. I also share how to earn and earning site. I also share remote job. I talk about remote job. I talk about Web3 jobs. I talk about crypto. I talk about trading. So this is a place you want to take position on, and it is free to join. And this platform I share are legit. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to trigger the bots. I'm going to show you where. If you're on the Telegram channel, you're going to see the link on how to trigger their bots. If you're not there, you're going to our advice is to join my Telegram channel. Also check the description box of this video for that particular link. First and first, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box on the comment section of this video. Then you see a particular link like this is the bot link. You click on it, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. All you need to do first is to click on start the bot. Once you started the bot, just like this, it's going to ask you to, I've already started the process on this particular account. It's going to first of all ask you to input your X username. Let me show you that on my main account. It's first of all going to ask you to put your username. You put your username. You need to click on agree. You agree to their privacy policy terms. You just click on that, and to show you here, it said you have agreed to the privacy policy term. Then the next thing is four steps. The first step is to add your X handle. You add your X handle. Look at mine. It's going to save it. Then it's going to ask for your Solana wallet address. Now, I do tell people that one of the very best platforms to use for things like this is a platform called Spender, in the description box of this video or in my comment section. Also, you can also see it on my Telegram channel. That is a wallet where you can come around and you can deposit crypto and have it exchange into your local currency. As simple as that. And in minutes, you have your crypto in whatever currency swapped into your local currency. So I'm just going to show you what it says. Your Spender, just come here and click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you come and copy your Solana wallet address. See, my device allows me to open multi app on my screen. So you see, the next step is simply send your Solana wallet address. So you come down to your Spender and then you click on Solana. This is Sol. For some reasons, my recorder's pointer is not coming up. So you just come here and click on your Solana wallet address, and then you come down here and you paste it. You paste it there. Then it's going to automatically save that wallet address for you, because that is what they're going to send your payment into. Then the next thing, to ask you for your Ethereum wallet address. So I'm going to come here to under my Spender app, and I'm going to click on ETH. Then I will select the network I need. So once I click on ETH like this, it's going to ask me to select the network. I'm going to choose ERC20, that is Ethereum, this Ethereum. And once I click on Ethereum, I'll come and copy my Ethereum wallet address, and then I'll paste it here. So my Ethereum wallet address here. And then the last step is to join their Discord channel. It is optional, so I just type skipped, and once you've done that, you are already ready to complete their missions. So after completing these 4 important steps, the next thing is to join their channel. The channel on Telegram is where you're going to see missions. Now, apart from joining their channel, and that beautiful thing about Python is that you can also refer people. And once you've referred friends, and those friends have signed up and completed missions like creating content for Python and all that, you will get paid a percentage for referring your friends. Yes, so apart from you getting paid for creating content, you also get paid for referring friends. So you can come here, you're going to see some commands on their bots. You are going to see commands to get your referral link, and this is the referral link. You copy your referral link and you share it to your friends. Then you can also see the number of referrals you have by clicking on referrals. Yeah, referrals there, and then you join Python by clicking on their channel. Once you're on their channel, you can then participate in missions and submit to your content URL under that mission comment section, and that's that. So that's how simple it is for you to stay positioned and start earning on platforms like this. These are platforms that are on Telegram that actually pay creators, that do not require a leaderboard. So these are content you want to keep seeing, how to earn on the side, remote jobs, everything about remote job, everything about staying positioned, everything about trading and all that. Then do me a favor and subscribe to my vlog channel, and leave a comment in the comment section on what's next you need to see. Also, if you have any question, you are free to ask. I will definitely respond to you personally. So that's all for now. Bye. See you in another update.